Auto Obsessed here. We're at the 2018 SEMA Show, and we're at the CarPro booth. Cory's here. We've got quite a bit to talk about, some of the new products, obviously brand new labeling. We'll let Cory talk for a couple minutes. Cory's from CarPro USA.
Thank you, Troy. So we got a few things that we're showing. First of all, we revamped the entire CarPro line as far as the labeling. The nozzles are a lot higher quality than they used to be. And also, something really cool, there's a lot of little details that they added that are really nice. A lot of consistency here. Even we have the braille right here for anybody that's vision impaired, so they can sense that they have some cautionary information there. As far as the new products, we have a new high gloss quick detailer. It's called EliXir, and this falls right in between the Reload and the Echo 2. So Reload, as you know, is a nano sealant. Echo 2 is waterless wash or a very versatile quick detailer, but it doesn't have the capability of EliXir. It's not quite as high gloss, and it doesn't have the protection of Reload. So this falls right in between. You'll get a good month of durability out of this consistently. It's kind of like if these two guys had a baby. There it is. Big difference between just mixing them on their own is this is more likely to bond for a longer period of time and bond without quite as much prep needed. Next product would be the MultiX. MultiX is CarPro's all-purpose cleaner, and this comes in a concentrate form. Both products will come in 500 milliliter, 1 liter, and gallon sizes as usual, and also samples. And then the final product that we are announcing for SEMA 2018 is the Skin. CQUARTZ Skin will be released sometime in 2019 in Canada, and this is made for applying to paint protection film, vinyl, plastics, and it's made, the big difference between that and the rest of the CQUARTZ coatings as far as why you would use that on a PPF or this type of film is it's actually designed to bond to that surface rather than the rest of our CQUARTZ coatings are designed to bond to clear coat. You can use them a lot of times on paint protection films and other surfaces, but this is actually specifically designed to bond to them. And it also contains a lot more UVA protection, and so it should help prevent yellowing for a longer period of time and bond for a longer period of time. I think that's pretty much it for now. I'll hand it back over to Troy.
So the new products, the MultiX, the EliXir, we'll start seeing those in late 2018, so in about a month or so. The Skin's going to be sometime in 2019, and then the new product labels will be coming out as they're released. So some will be coming out in 2018, and then the majority will be coming out later on in 2019. You can check it all out at autoobsessed.com. Thanks for watching.